Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, in this video, we will talk about how to log in to another account on Snapchat. Firstly, open the Snapchat app on your device. At the top left corner, tap on the profile icon. Then, at the top right, click on the gear icon for settings. Scroll down and tap logout. You will see a confirmation prompt. Tap logout again to confirm. Once you are logged out, you will be taken back to the login screen. Here at the bottom right, tap on switch account. Now enter your username and password of the Snapchat account you want to log in. That is, I'm using my another account. And yeah, when you click on the login, your account will be logged in. That's it for today. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.